Student, today our topic is nomenclature of organic compound. In this lesson, we are learn about the naming of organic compound. There are rules for the naming of organic compound. The first rule is rule for saturated branch chain hydrocarbon. These are alkanes in which carbon-carbon has single bond. The first is select the largest continuous chain of carbon atoms in a given molecule of alkane with more number of substituents. For example, there is a example numbering of carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this way we can done numbering. In this way there is a two substituents. This is correct. If we are numbering in such a ways 1 2 3 4 5 6, both have 6 number of carbon atom, but there is one substituent, there is 2, so this is correct, this is a wrong. Student, next is lowest number rule. Number the carbon atom in such a way that the carbon atom carrying the substituents gets the lowest number. For example, in this we are numbering as 1 2 3 4 5. The substituent methyl gets number second. If we numbering in such a way 1 2 3 4 5, the substituent methyl will get number 4. So we get in a way such the substituent get lower number. 2 is lower than 4. The next is alphabetic order of the substituents. The name of the substituents according to their alphabet. For example, 1 2 3 4 5. In this there is 2. Numbering 2 has methyl group and numbering 3 has ethyl group. According to alphabetic, ethyl comes first, then methyl, so its name is 3-ethyl 2-methyl pentane. Since there is 5 carbon, so it is pentane. If we take its name as 1 2 3 4 5, in this methyl group in 2 position and ethyl group in 3, and we take methyl first, then ethyl, then it is wrong. Students, di, tri, tetra are not considered in alphabetic order. For example, here is numbering carbon atom 1 2 3 4 5. In this 3 position has ethyl group as well as methyl group, and 2 position has methyl group, so its name is 3-ethyl 2,3-dimethyl pentane. Here is 2-methyl, so it is dimethyl, or ethyl on a position of 3. According to alphabetic, E come first, then M, so we take ethyl first, and di is not considered. Similarly, there is another examples 1 2 3 4 5 6 carbon atom, so it is hexane. In position 4 there is a methyl group, and position 3 there is ethyl group, so ethyl come first. 3-ethyl 4-methyls hexane. Students, there is IUPAC name of another examples. For example, the first organic compound, we can expand this is in form carbon is attached with 3-methyl group. So carbon, there is 3-methyl group, then there is attached with the ethyl group. On expand we written as a ethyl group as, so its name is first numbering 1 2 3 4. This is longest strands. Then in position 2 there is 2-methyl group, so its name is 1 2 2 dimethyl butane, since there is 4 carbon atom butane. Now another examples of organic compounds. First of all, we expand this. There is ethyl, so it is CH2 CH3. Similarly, CH2 CH3. Now it is numbering 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it is hexane. In the position 3 and 4 there is 2-methyl group, so its name is 3,4-dimethyl hexane. Students, now we are naming nomenclature of unsaturated hydrocarbon, alkenes and alkyne. In this rule, select chain must include multiple bonds regardless of the factor it is longest. In alkenes and alkyne there is double bond and triple bond in carbon-carbon. So we select the chains in which there is multiple bonds. For example, here 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is a chains numbering which contain double bond. This is correct. If we get the numbering in such a way 1 2 3 4 5 6, in this we not include double bond, so it is wrong. The second, the numbering of the chain must be done in such a way that multiple bond C gets the lowest number. In this we start numbering from this side, so it's get lower number. If we start numbering from this side, this get highest number. So we done the numbering in such a way that double bond get lowest numbering. There is examples of organic compound. For examples, in this organic compound we numbering from right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In position 1 there is double bond, and in position 4 there is triple bond. So its name is pent 1 in 4 ions. In position 1 double bond, so in position 4 there is triple bond, so ion. Another examples, we are taking numbering from right side 1, 2, 3, 4. So double bond get lowest number, so its name is 3 methyl butenes. In 3 position there is methyl group. Now the compounds contain substituents other than alkyl groups, then its name as naming in the alphabetic order. For example, in these organic compounds we are numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in there is two substituents, chloro and bromo. According to alphabetic, V comes first, then C, so its name is 3 bromo 2 chloro pentenes. There is 5 carbon, so it is pentane. Bromine on position 3, so it is bromo, and in position 2 there is chlorine, so it is chloro. 3 bromo 2 chloro pentene. The next, we are numbering from right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is two substituents, chlorine and ethyl group, so its name is 2 chloro 3 ethyl pentane 1, 4 diene. There is two double bond in position 1 and 5, so it is diene. Now we are naming the compound containing one functional group, selecting the largest strand containing the carbon atom to which the functional group is attached. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbering of carbon. This is wrong. We are numbering in such a way that a functional group gets lowest number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is correct. Numbering as the carbon atom bearing the functional group gets the lowest number. Functional group get lower number. If the functional groups such as alkyl group CHO, carboxylic group COOH, cyanide group C triple bond and X, then numbering starts from the functional group carbon atom. In these organic compounds, there is functional group is ketone C double bond O. We are numbering from right sides to get lowest number to functional groups. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in 3 position there is bromine, so its name is 3 bromobutanoyl chloride. Now next is, we are numbering from right sides to get lowest number to cyanide 1, 2, 3, 4, so its name is butynitriles. In next examples, we are numbering from right sides to get the lowest number of carboxylic group 1, 2, 3, so its number is naming is as 3 phenyl. C6H5 is phenyl. 3 phenyl propane 2 in oic acid. Oic for carboxylic group, 2 as double bond, and carbon at 2 position as double bond, so its name is 3 phenyl prop 2 in oic acid. Students, next tool is for a compound containing more than one different functional group. There is functional group more than one. Maximum preference is made on the basis of flowing order. We are giving preference which functional group we are know from the flowing order. Students, we gave more preference to carboxylic acid. Now there is a decreasing order of functional group. Carboxylic acid get highest preference. Its formula is C double bond H, sulfuric acid SO3H, acetic anhydride C double bond O, C double bond ester C double bond R, nitrile CN, aldehyde CHO, ketone C double bond O, alcohol OH, amines NH2, alkene and alkyne. From this order we have learned that the carboxylic acid get maximum preference and alkynes get least preference. Students, in these examples, there is two functional group, ketone as well as alcohol. From these orders, we have learned that ketones has more preference than alcohol. So we are numbering starts from right side so that ketone gets lower number. So it's number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In position 2 there is a ketone group, and position 4 there is alcohol group. Its names is as 4 hydroxyl pentane 2 on. In next examples, there is two carboxyl group and two alcohol group. We know that carboxyl group have more preference than alcohol, so we are numbering in such a ways that carboxylic group get lowest number. So we are numbering start 1 2 3 4. So its name is 2,3 dihydroxydioic acid. In position 2 and 3 there is two hydroxyl groups, so it is dihydroxyl group. In position 1 and 4 there is two carboxyl, so it's a dioic acid. Students, thanks for this topic.